Hello guys, today we are going to do the integral of 1 over parentheses x squared plus x plus 1 square from 0 to infinity. And here you can see x squared plus x plus 1 square and it's reciprocal. How can we integrate? Is this even possible? Well, you can see we can easily integrate 1 over x squared plus x plus 1. We just need to use the what's that called? Yeah, computing the square, but this time it's square. How can we integrate this? Well, I'm going to let an integral, which is I of a, which is equal to 1 over. Where should we put a here? I'm going to put the a here, plus a, like that. And don't need a parentheses. I'm going to let I of a equal to this. When we differentiate this, use our partial derivative. You know you can just put it inside, right? After you take the partial derivative, you get I prime a, and then how can we integrate, differentiate this in our a rule? First, 1 over that. First, we are going to square this. And then put a negative sign here, and then because of the chain rule, multiply by the derivative of x squared plus x plus a in our a rule, which is a x squared plus x, which is constant. They are constant, so only one method is a. Differentiate this, you get 1, and then dx. You can get something like this. This I prime a, but we need to find what is I of a first. I of a, which is the integral of this, right? How can we solve this? Well, we are going to use the computing the square method. First, we are going to take a half of this coefficients of x. Half of this, the coefficients of x is 1. Take a half of this, which is 1 over 2. Then square this, and then don't forget to minus that square, and then plus a dx. And then you can get, this is just x plus 1 over 2 square. And then you can get a minus 1 over 4 here. I'm going to write this as 4a minus 1 over 4, like that. After you multiply by the dividing the numerator by 4, yes. And then I'm going to write this 4a minus 1 as our square root of 4a minus 1 over 2, square this. And then when you let u is equal to x plus 1 over 2, du which is equal to dx. So we don't need to substitute anymore. Just use our formula. 1 over x squared plus a squared. We are going to get 1 over that constant. 1 over that constant, you are going to do the reciprocal of this, which is 2 over square root of 4a minus 1. And then inverse tangent of 1 over a times x. X over a, which is 1 over a times x. They're the same. So this 2 over 4a minus 1 times this x. Evaluate this from 0 to infinity. First, take R10, put infinity inside, entire thing become infinity. So R10 infinity, which is pi over 2. And then we are going to minus, put 0 into it. 1/2 and 2 cancel. Well, you can just get inverse tangent of 1 over square root of 4a minus 1. And then you can get something like this. Pi over 2 minus R10 of 1 over something. You're going to get this thing, right? Just R10 square root of 4a minus 1, because they are the complementary functions. Yeah. R10x plus R10 1 over x, which is just R cotangent x. R10x plus R cotangent x, which is equal to pi over 2. So you are going to get pi over 2 minus R10 1 over x, which is equal to R10x. This is the identity. First, we already find the I of a, I prime a, which is equal to that thing. We are going to differentiate this as well. After you differentiate this, 2 over 4a minus 1 times inverse tangent of this. we are going to do a derivative of this. First, I'm going to keep the 2, and then we are going to do a derivative of r10 square root of 4a minus 1 over square root of 4a minus 1. First, we are going to square this thing, which is 4a minus 1, and then keep this 4a minus 1, and then do a derivative of r10 square root of 4a minus 1. First, you are going to get 1 over 1 plus something. So this is the bottom. You are going to get 1 plus this square, which is 4a minus 1. So you can get 4a on the numerator, right? Denominator. Kind of forget about it. This denominator. So you can get 1 plus 4a minus 1, which is 4a here. And then 1 over that, and then multiply by the chain rule of square root of 4a minus 1, which is 1 over 2 times this thing, and then do a derivative once again, which is 4. And then minus, keep this r10 square root of 4a minus 1 times the derivative of square root of 4a minus 1, which is 2 times this. Just repeat this. Right. And then you can get 4, they cancel each other out, and then 2 and 4, they simplify to 2 here. And then we are going to simplify it here. Therefore, you can get, we are going to distribute, also these 2 cancel each other. And then 2 and 2 also cancel each other, so you can get this. First, you are going to get 1 over a minus, and then 2 times 2, distribute the 2, so you can get 4 r10 square root of 4a minus 1 over square root of 4a minus 1 divided by 4a minus 1. And then we are going to use how can we just simplify it? Well, this thing, I'm going to do a cross multiply method. So this, first you are going to get 4a minus 1, and then minus 4a times r10 square root of 4a minus 1, and the denominator you get a over square root of 4a minus 1. I'm going to put that thing to here, so you're going to get a times 4a minus 1 times square root of 4a minus 1. So this is equal to I prime a, right? So we are going to set this equal to this integral, negative 1 over x squared plus x plus a squared dx. And then we are going to multiply by the negative side on both sides, so you can get integral of 1 over x squared plus x plus a squared dx, which is equal to negative times this thing. I'm just lazy. Let me just do it here. I don't think I can copy it, so I have to copy this once again. This confusing term over a times 4a minus 1 times square root of 4a minus 1, like this. You can also write this as 4a minus 1 power of 3 over 2. Up to you, yeah. And then the integral we are going to find, which is 1 over x squared plus x plus a 1, right, squared dx. And we set this equal to I prime a, right? So therefore, this is just I prime 1, put 1 into it. So after putting 1 into it, you get square root of 3 minus 4 times 1, which is 4. And the r10 square root of 3, which is our pi over 3. Over, and then 1 times 4a minus 1. So 1 times 4 times 1 minus 1, which is 3, times square root of 3. And the simplify it, after simplify it, you get negative 1 over 3, and then plus our 4 pi over 3. Yeah, so you can get 4 pi over 9 times square root of 3. So this is our result, and thanks for watching. Really cool result. Negative 1 over 3 plus 4 pi over 9 times square root of 3. And stay tuned for more quality videos, and bye.